It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: how to recognize, treat, and prevent mange. If your dog has severe itching or you notice patches of thinning or missing fur, your pup may have mange. This irritating skin condition is caused by microscopic mites that infest the skin. But there's no need to worry, mange in dogs can be prevented and treated. 1. What type of mite, sarcoptic or demodectic? There are two types of mange, and the type your dog has will depend on the type of mite. Scabies is most commonly caused by the sarcoptic mite. Your dog can contract these parasites from another animal or from contaminated bedding. Demodectic mites, on the other hand, are naturally present in the roots of your dog's coat, called hair follicles. They are transmitted from mother to puppy during the first days of life. Normally, a dog's immune system keeps demodectic mites at bay. But scabies outbreaks can occur if the mite population grows uncontrolled. 2. Causes and symptoms of sarcoptic mange. Sarcoptic mites cannot be seen with the naked eye, but you will definitely notice the itching they cause on your dog. These live and feed on your dog's fur, and the females burrow beneath the top layer to lay eggs. This scabies is very contagious. If you have wild animals, especially foxes, it may be the cause. In addition to wild animals, your dog can also contract sarcoptic mites from other dogs. Dogs can also contract a case of mange from infected bedding or blankets. Early-stage sarcoptic mange usually starts as an itch around the ear flaps and elbows. But mites also like to live on a dog's belly, armpits, and paws. Initially, a dog with sarcoptic mange scratches constantly, causing the skin under the coat to become red and irritated. However, over time, sarcoptic mange causes hair loss, open sores or scabs, and scabbing or thickening of the skin. Open sores can become infected and smelly. If left untreated, it can lead to enlarged lymph nodes, loss of healthy muscle mass, and sometimes death. While sarcoptic mites prefer dogs, they can also infect people. 3. Causes and symptoms of demodectic mange. Demodectic mites are present in dogs' hair follicles and sebaceous glands of the skin since they are puppies. For most dogs, they don't cause any problems. If they become problematic, it is usually a sign of a weakened immune system. Puppies, older dogs, and those with underlying medical conditions, such as diabetes or cancer, are more likely to contract demodectic mange. Demodectic mange can be localized or generalized. When there is an overgrowth of demodectic mites, the hair follicles become irritated. This scabies is more subtle than sarcoptic scabies in the early stages. It's not as itchy. It usually starts as small areas of hair loss. Puppies with demodectic mange, also called red mange, develop scaly bald spots near the lips and on the head or front paws. Often, the puppy's immune system kicks in and resolves the problem on its own. Other times, demodectic mange becomes generalized. As you progress, you will see more hairless patches, oily and bumpy skin, skin discoloration, itch, scabs on the skin, bacterial infections with a foul odor. For how to treat scabies in dogs. While you may be tempted to use a home remedy or over-the-counter product to relieve your dog's itching, it won't help your dog in the long run. Getting rid of mites is essential to treating scabies. Schedule an exam with your veterinarian to find out what type of mange your dog has and how best to treat it. Scabies treatment has become much easier. You can expect your pet to feel better within a few days of taking the oral medication. To help relieve itching while removing mites, veterinarians prescribe medications to relieve itching, discomfort, and inflammation. Your dog may also need antibiotics to help clear up any secondary skin infections. 5. Is mange contagious to humans or other pets? Unfortunately, mange due to sarcoptic mites can be transmitted to other household pets and even humans. Special precautions need to be taken to prevent it from infecting other inhabitants of the home, since mites are easily transmitted to other dogs and people. It is important to isolate your dog from other pets until he is mite-free and be sure to keep him off furniture and clean any material he has come into contact with, including his bed, mattress, blankets, and carpet. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.